Can you really fit an entire watercolor studio right in your pocket? Let's open the Winsor & Newton 14-piece field pocket set. This clever little box has everything inside and I'm so glad that I got it. It is very sturdy to hold. Love the labeling. As soon as you open up, you see right away 3 mixing palettes on all 3 sides. You get a mini tiny sponge and then you have 12 beautiful professional watercolors. A mini travel staple brush that snaps together, a 35 ml refillable water bottle that is so smart, and plus you have a clip-on water container that attaches right to the side. It's incredibly compact, lightweight and perfect for travel. Let me know what should I paint first with these.